Hey guys, Clizzardbash here, and I am going to be playing insert title here. I'm going to be playing part 2. This is part 2 of it, and yeah, here we go. So I'm going to be playing the horror one instead of the platform. I said I might do platform, but I'm going to do
the
horror.
experiment. You may
So,
not be accustomed to what you're about to see.
This.
Feel calm and explore.
Wait. I found out that you don't even have to say anything, but it says this all the time. The sign doesn't change. It does not adapt to your microphone, and I felt stupid for saying that in the first episode. Let's keep going. $360. Oh wait, I felt stupid. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Do you like this one?
No, I don't like it. It makes me constipated.
This is the drug room. Trippy as hell.
Yeah, it's very trippy.
As you can see, this experiment is full of take your time to read.
I don't want to.
Don't worry. Choose one of the following elevators. Each one of them will take you to a different game genre.
But if the other one was just a psychological, then it wasn't even that scary. This looks like SCP-B. What is that noise? Is it a maze? It's amazing. Okay. Is that a hand? What the hell? Why is our hand coming out of the wall? Okay. What does that say? One of the doors is the correct. Okay, let's go left.
Back to normal. Isn't that lovely? Please, click the button to continue.
Back to normal. What? It was the worst horror game I've ever played. The pedophile room.
Choose the blue pill or the red pill.
I used the red pill
Your
last
decision
time.
will influence your...
I was kidding.
This is not
Whatever.
Matrix. It's just a weird experiment.
What would you do if you win $1 million instantly?
Okay, I'll change up my answers because I picked that one last time. So let's pick charity.
What would you do if your best friend in the world is about to be killed?
Anyways, sacrifice my life.
In this room we process all your actions and decisions, all your movements and thoughts, and we find a conclusion. Data have tested positive, giving it a positive opinion about you. It qualifies you as a good person.
I'm a good person.
Proceed to the end of the room to leave the experiment. I hope you enjoyed the experience. Until another time.
Wait, I'm not. No, I'm not. Only authorized personnel. Let's check out this room.
You don't have permission to be here.
I don't have permission to be here. Immediately leave. Nah, let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Get out. Subject 1. I order you.
My name is not Ian, it's Chappelle. Possible deaths. Fall from the fake exit. Eaten by the monster. Starved to die. Brain attack. Tortured by your mind. Suicide? What is this? Patient, innocent, curious, weak. Weak? That's weird. My birthday is 3 days before that. Mental status stable. Okay.
Get out. Now.
Whoa.
I'm ordering you. You can't be here.
Okay, this is the horror game. Okay. What is this? Why would somebody make a room like this? Oh my god. That is so loud. Is that a car? What? Oh my god. Okay, you guys just saw that. I guess that's the true ending. I guess that's the true ending for the game. This isn't a thing anymore. It's a game. It's a horror game. But anyways, if you like the video, subscribe, favorite, and like it, and I will see you guys later.
Just try to stop me.